right, in this video, we're going to discuss how to get the last element of a list in Python. And this sort of syntax is one of the reasons I fell in love with Python. So I create a range here of 100,000, and then it's just square bracket -1. It's that simple. That gets you 99,999. Now, one issue you might have, and this is going to happen to you, it happens to me in production code, is there's nothing in that list. And then when you go to get the last element of an empty list, it throws an index error. It says the list is out of range. Now there's two workarounds. We can do the ternary operator and just say if empty list, and I've got another video which shows that tells you there's at least one element in the list. It's the same as doing the length of it greater than 0, but a lot more Pythonic, else none. And so you either get the last element or there is not one. So in this case, there's none because empty list doesn't have anything. Now the other way to do this is to set up an explicit try except index error, because maybe you want to do something a little more complex. If the list is empty, maybe there's some recovery code you need to run here. But that's the other way to catch it. Hope you learned something. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Smash that like button so I can build an audience and help more people. I'll see you in the next one.